Hey, thanks so much for stopping by jimp360.com. Okay, so here's what I've got for you now. Now that you're honest, you found me on the web here. This is the best way to connect with me because you can choose how you want to connect with me. Here's what I want you to do first and foremost. Okay, there's a button here on the right side that says contact. Click on that. You're going to have all these options. You can reach me on my, show you how to text me, how to WhatsApp, how to phone, book an appointment, and most importantly, at the bottom down there, it says save contact. Push that button. It'll save my contact information in your phone so you'll be able to access me whatever way makes the most sense for you. Okay, as soon as you do that, then I want you to push text, send a text message in here, right? And I'm going to send you a quick survey if you wouldn't mind. That will help us be able to serve you better and tell you exactly what lane your business in and how we can help you along the sales journey. Okay, but really cool here is if you look at the Facebook page, you've got groups in here. I want you to access our private Facebook groups, reach out, see how we can help you, get joined in, get connected into our world. Also, if you on the top right up here, you got the websites, all of our different websites, different ways, learn how we can sell for you, learn how we can hire you sales pros, learn how you could sell for our amazing team, or how we could support you individually, book me to speak, and many, many more. So we're here. This is all about you choosing your own adventure. How do you want to engage us? How do you want us to support you? How do you want us to know you? What do you want us to know? That's what we're here for. Love that you're here. Thanks so much for trusting us to be part of your success team. And we're looking forward to growing with you on the journey.